Woo! We're going to do some spark plugs on a 2017 Toyota RAV4 with 90,000 miles. I'm going to show you exactly what you got to do, some tips, tricks, and we'll go from there. All right, I promised I'd be coming out with a video how to do a tune-up on any car. So let's get to it. All right, I'm going to, first step one, to change your spark plugs, raise your hood. Now, prop it up, get some light. There's going to be a cover here. You just want to get that out the way. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you can wait till it cools down or not. Doesn't really matter. So then you just unplug. The coil. You can just do one at a time. Then you take off this. Mm-hmm. One. No. So once you get the nuts off the coils, you can just take it out. Stop here, an extension and your spark plug socket down on the spark plug. Alright, once you get your coils out the way, get your 5/8 spark plug socket in there. Break it loose. Now I'm just going to put my ratchet on it, my electric ratchet. Speed it up a little bit. There you go. And that's it. Just do the reverse order, work through all your spark plugs, and once you get to the very end, just reverse the order, connect everything up, connect your coils back up in the right order, and you're on your way. Hope you like it. The finished product, about 20 minutes to do everything. I had to run to AutoZone because my socket was missing the boot, so I couldn't lift up the spark plug. But once I got a magnetic one from AutoZone, so it actually can grip it magnetically and you don't have to worry about that boot getting stuck in the cylinder hole. Anyway, car's running, no check engine lights, everything sounds great, and we're ready for the next one. Woohoo!